Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. Just because you live in an apartment or condo doesn't mean you can't build a perfect oasis to escape to at the end of the day. You can. You just need to think differently, and we have 8 great ideas to share. Thankfully, retailers have recognized the need for those of us who are a bit space challenged and have many options if you think just a little differently. Instead of looking at the width and depth, look at the height. That's right. Think vertical and a world of possibilities open up to you. Number 1, stackable planters. This amazing stackable planter is perfect for flowering plants, herbs, and even fruits and vegetables. It comes with 5 stackable trays plus a bottom, but you can use as few as you want and add to it. Number 2, freestanding vertical planter. We love this one from Hamdocs. It does require some assembly. You can also get the same look in a smaller version. Number 3, pocket planters, for those of you with patio fences or walls or a way to hang them. Pocket planters are a great choice. They have metal eyelets or grommets that allow quick and easy hanging. You can get a small one like this. Plant pockets are perfect for giving your patio a splash of color with annuals or for herbs and vegetable gardens. Number 4, hanging vertical self-watering plants. If you want a garden but don't have time to deal with watering it, hanging this vertical automatic dripping irrigation planter will do all of the work, leaving you with patio flowers, herbs, and vegetables. You will need a water source such as a hose. Number 5, fence hangers. Fence hangers come in a variety of shapes and colors. They are easy to move around from area to area. One of our favorites is this one from a carton. It's bright and cheery and the flowers look great in it. Plus, it comes in a 10-piece bundle. If you're looking for more of a shabby chic look, these 3-pack metal iron flower pots by Dahi are perfect. Number 6, balcony planters. No need to waste a perfectly good balcony rail. Add a splash of color or a little greenery with these great balcony planters. Note that some of the planters can be used for both balconies and fences. Number 7, do-it-yourself creative trellis. We can't have ideas without at least one do-it-yourself project, and this one is perfect. If you love the look of a traditional flower pot, but just don't have the room for much else, be creative. Use a pot of your choice. We've chosen a whiskey barrel. Next, find a trellis that suits the design you desire, like this one from Amagabelli. Now combine the two, putting the trellis inside the pot, and you have the perfect place for a climbing rosebush or vine. And there is plenty of room left for a variety of annuals or herbs. Number 8, hanging plants. Don't underestimate the charm of hanging plants on a balcony. While you can run to your nearest nursery and grab a pre-made basket, why not pick out your favorite flowers and herbs? Remember, when looking at your balcony, you have more room than you thought. Just think vertical, and before long, you'll have the perfect place to escape. Please note that all products mentioned are listed below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.